So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Affective Computing Week 2nd Assignment 2nd. So the first question is, which brain region is primarily involved in regulating emotional experience and motivation? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says the prefrontal cortex PFC. PFC is also associated in emotional experience, motivation and its regulation. So the answer of our first question is A, prefrontal cortex. And now let's go to our question number 2. The amygdala is most strongly associated with which function? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says the amygdala a general role in processing stimulus, salience, motivational significance and aerosols. So now the answer of our second question is C, processing stimulus, salience, and aerosol. And now let's go to our question number 3. According to embodied cognition theories, voluntary facial muscle contraction can influence emotional experience. This idea support which concept? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says embodied cognition. Emotion is often defined as a multi-component response to a significant stimulus characterized by brain and bodily aerosol and a subjective feeling state that elicits a tendency toward motivated action. Body plays a crucial role. So the answer of our third question is D. Bodily feedback contributes to how emotions are felt. And now let's go to our question number 4. Higher activation in the left frontal hemisphere is generally linked to which motivational tendency? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is B, approach motivation. And now let's go to our question number 5. Which emotion is commonly associated with activation of the left frontal PFC despite being negatively balanced? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says the prefrontal cortex left PFC the emotion of anger. PFC has a more important role in approach and withdrawal motivation rather than positive and negative balance. So the answer of our fifth question is C, anger. And now let's go to our question number 6. In the dimensional VAD slash PAD model, dominance refers to, so these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is A, the sense of control or submission associated with an emotion. And now let's go to our question number 7. One limitation of traditional categorical emotion model is that, so these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is B, they struggle to represent relationship between emotions. And now let's go to our question number 8. Which emotion is typically characterized by lowered eyebrows, tense eyelids, and pressed lips? So these are the option. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says anger characterized by lowered eyebrows drawn together, tense lowered eyelids, and pressed lips. So the answer of our eighth question is D, anger. And now let's go to our question number 9. Increased skin conductance is most reliably associated with which type of disgust related stimulus? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says skin conductance responses may depend on whether the emotion is elicited by core disgust inducing stimuli, example pictures of dirty toilets, or body boundary violating stimuli, example mutilation scenes. So the answer of our ninth question is C, mutilation or body boundary violation images. And now let's go to our question number 10. Crying related sadness is associated with which physiological pattern? So these are the option, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says sadness, crying related sadness, increased heart rates, no change in HRV, increased skin conductance. So the answer of our 10th question is B, increased heart rate and increased skin conductance. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.